This is a used 2007 Lincoln MKZ. It's powered by all-wheel drive, a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include electric trunk, leather seats, heated seats, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, an auxiliary input, steering wheel controls, memory seats, aluminum rims, auto-dimming mirrors. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, side airbags, independent suspension, traction control, a passenger airbag, front ventilated disc brakes, anti-lock brakes, child safety locks. Be confident in your purchase with an AutoCheck Vehicle History Report, the industry's trusted vehicle history provider. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.
Red River Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 402 West Side Drive, Durant, Oklahoma 74701.